Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by waking both devices. Put the Pioneer into accessory or on so its Bluetooth stack is active. This matters because some units sleep when off. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and set visibility for pairing, since the head unit must see it. Once done, make sure the car is safely parked and electrical power stays on. Many stereos drop Bluetooth when power is cut. This step primes both sides to find each other quickly. It avoids timeout errors later. You now put the Pioneer into pairing. Using the unit controls, navigate to Source or Menu, then Bluetooth Settings and select Pairing or Add Device. The screen will show the radio name and sometimes a default PIN. On your phone, scan and tap that name. If prompted, enter the PIN, commonly 0000 or 1234, because it authenticates the link. Once paired, the radio exchanges profiles like A2DP and HFP, so audio and calls will route correctly. This is why you confirm both play and mic access. You finish by verifying connection and testing functions. Confirm the head unit shows connected and your phone lists the Pioneer, then play music to check A2DP audio and make a short call to verify hands-free. Adjust volume and microphone gain in the radio settings if voice is low. If pairing fails, remove old pairings on both devices, toggle Bluetooth, restart phone and radio, and retry. This clears stale caches and usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.